Hello everyone, Paul here, and I want to invite you to discover the Discover panel right up here, the magnifying glass. I usually just do Command F or Control F if you're on a PC. It'll open up that panel, and it's already going to give you some suggestions based on your image, okay? But I can go into quick actions, peruse these, commonly used things. Hey, you know what? All I want to do is make a black and white background. Just click apply. We can watch Photoshop do all of the work, which is awesome, right? This is so good. You might have heard of something called sky replacement. Well, let's just go ahead and check that out. SKY replacement. Do I have to go through some tutorial on how to use it? No, right up here. It will actually select it. It's under the edit menu. So it launches it for me, and then I get to pick the sky of my choosing as I kind of go through here. You get the idea. Okay, I can try some different ones, kind of move on from there. Okay, I can just click OK. But it's a great place to also learn. So if we take a look, yes, all those tools will be highlighted. But not only that, you can dive into hands-on tutorials. So even if you don't have a PSD, you can go into sort of creative effects. Let's view all of these. Hey, just try out whichever one you want. This is all about sort of blending two images together. It walks you through it, says, hey, select the wolves layer, add a layer mask, and you're learning on this new file how to blend images together, which is pretty amazing if you ask me. So try it out today, the Discover panel. It's awesome, and thanks so much for watching.